Adrenaline magnetometer 3D ground test. This is the start of shot number 1. End of shot number 1. This is the start of shot number 2. End of shot number 2.
Okay, adrenaline magnetometer 3D ground test analysis. So this is our test field. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have one area of 10 by 5. And from this edge to this point is 1.8 meters. And that is the length of the large hole. And the depth, so from the top surface down to the top of the hole is 2 meters. And the height of the hole is 57 centimeter. And the total depth would be 2.57 meters. And I use 3 speakers as our test object, as we all know that the speakers uses a permanent magnet, and a permanent magnet has a high magnetic field, so the magnetometer can easily detect a high magnetic field. So instead of waiting several years or even 100 years just to test, I think this is the best sample to mimic a long time buried object. So from the previous, we conducted two shots. So this is the shot number 1 and shot number 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the area of the test field is 10 by 5. So um, let's analyze the results. So here we can easily determine the anomaly. So on this one, this is the anomaly, and the other one, another anomaly. So looking at the results from the two results, we can easily notice that the shape of the anomaly are almost the same, and square shape, and the position are also both on the middle left side of the area. So we can therefore conclude that the two anomalies are both real targets. So let's check the um, applications or the app or the adrenaline uh, software. So click ground analyzer, click 3D analyzer, and click previous scans. So shot number 1 is object X. So top view or 2D view, and this is the 3D view for shot number 1. For shot number 2, object Y, so 2D view and 3D view. So if we want to check the values on the anomalies, you can just select any points from the image. Let's say this one. So we have a X value of 3 or line 3, Y is line 1, and Z we have a value of 6. So X is the vertical axis and Y is the horizontal axis. and Z. So take note that Z is not the depth. So 6 is the intensity of the signal. So to check the estimated depth, just slide the 2D and make it a 3D view. So let me use the other one. So looking at the screenshot, so we have grid lines. So inside the grid lines, we have the rectangular box. So each rectangular box is 1 meter. So this is 1 meter, 1 meter. So we have 2 meters. So from the top of the anomaly down to the lowest value of the anomaly, so we can see 2 meters depth, estimated depth. So that's the depth of the target or anomaly, 2 meters, almost 2 meters. So yeah, so that's the adrenaline magnetometer 3D ground test, and thanks for watching.